Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. It's Jada Renee. Today, I'm going to be filming myself packaging some orders that were placed from my spooky collection. And I just want to say before I start, thank you to everybody who placed an order. The marshmallow has sold out, but I'm gonna add some more because y'all remember that I made so many. It truly means a lot to me that y'all want to support my business, even if you're supporting me for free by watching my YouTube videos or follow me on Instagram, liking my posts, sharing my posts, saving my posts, TikTok. It truly means a lot to me because you don't have to do that, and it just means a lot that you want to do it. So, and on YouTube, we are going crazy. Like, y'all are going crazy with the support on YouTube, like stunned. So yeah, thank you for, like, we had 665 subscribers. I checked this morning and I was like, wow, like it's the support for me. Now I'm going to be showing out packaging orders, and let's get right into it. So this is our amount of orders. Wow, this is crazy. And then I had to go print out some more labels, but let me show y'all. Let's get into these thank you cards. Like, let's get into it. For shopping and being a fabulous customers. Wow, it's the creativity for me. If you ordered, you will be seeing one of these. Okay, so I printed out some more because I had some more orders. So I printed out some more labels, and I cut my thank you cards. I think only 2 of these need big boxes, and I only have 1 because another one that came in last night was a bigger order, and I only had 1 box. So I didn't print it out till just then, so I didn't know, or else I would went to the store and got another box. Not sure how many boxes I really need to build, but we're gonna start building boxes. Okay, so here's our setup. Got some boxes, got the body butters. Great thing about this season, I don't have to freeze them anymore because it's pretty cool outside. Like, it's not gonna get hot enough for them to melt. So, but I still froze these, but whatever. I'm just gonna use this until I run out because I got all of this. So, and it could also prevent them from freezing. And then we got our crinkle paper, and then I went ahead and put those together. So this is going to be our first order. So I'm going to lay this in here, and this fits like pretty sturdy. Focus. Okay. Take some crinkle paper, put that in there. Ooh, it looks hot pink on camera. I wish I could have got like orange. That would have been dope, but I have so much crinkle paper over here, y'all. I just can't dedicate to the seasons right now. She got the poison apple with body butter and the magic marshmallows with body butter, and she got 1 of each. So the magic marshmallows, plop that right in there, and then the apple, put that in there. Let's get it a little bit snug. Cool. So add just a bit more crinkle paper, just because I got a lot. Okay. Then we're going to add the packaging slip. So we're going to put the packaging slip, then we're going to take one of these, and then we're going to cover it over. Now I might need 2 hands for this. Like that, like so. See how it fits snug in there? I'm gonna put our thank you card on top because we're thankful, and then we're gonna close it. Blush Babe got magical marshmallows and candy corn. She got one of each, so. Okay, so I'm back. I was making some TikToks, so I did 2 other orders and I was making content for my TikTok. Make sure y'all go follow me on TikTok at Blush.Body Thanks. So this person ordered a rose sugar scrub, coffee scrub, and a magical marshmallow. Okay, so this person purchased poison apple, body butter, magical marshmallows, and candy corn foaming body scrub. She got 2 caramel corns, yay, and 2 magical marshmallows, yay. So sis said I'm finna double up. Okay, so this customer, Blush Babe, this is actually one of my loyal customers. She always orders for me, for her daughter, and yeah, she says she really likes my products, and I truly appreciate her. So she ordered one of everything out of the spooky collection, and yeah, so thank you to her for ordering and purchasing. Let's pack her order. This is gonna be an excitement to open. Like, I wish I was opening this box. Like, just so precious. Gonna add her packaging slip on top, and then I'm going to get some more of this and put it on top. That is on top, just like that. Then we're gonna add the thank you card because we're very thankful. Close her up, put the label on her, and ship her off. Last one. These are all the packages, and so I'm just gonna end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying to the end and tuning into my vlog and supporting me on all my platforms. It truly means a lot to me. Stay tuned for the next video. There are some products still available on the spooky collection, so if you want to shop, website link is down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy the content and want to see more. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.